Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this really sweet birthday card. And I'm using the brand new stamp set called Hello Cupcake from Sale-a-Bration. Let me show you that. Okay, so here's the Hello Cupcake stamp set. This is a Sale-a-Bration item that you can get for free for a qualifying order. Okay, so we're going to use that stamp set. And I made, well, except for the Balmy Blue, I made the Daffodil Delight, the Grapefruit Grove, Lemon Lime Twist, and then we're making the Highland Heather one today. But the one that I made with the Balmy Blue, I've already sent out, so I can't show you all 5 cards. But the inspiration for this card, of course, is the stamp set, but it's the Gingham Gala designer paper, and these are the 6x6 designer paper pack that's in the Occasions catalog right now. And this is what they look like. So you get all 5 colors, Daffodil, the Grapefruit, Lemon Lime Twist, Balmy Blue, and then the Highland Heather. And they're double-sided, so you have the larger check and then the smaller check on one side. And then also in the Sale-a-Bration brochure, there's the Organdy Ribbon combo pack, and you're getting all 5 colors, and they all match the Gingham Gala designer paper as well, so they're all in the same colors. So we're going to be using the Highland Heather Organdy Ribbon today. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's start with the measurements. This card is the card that I had all my club members this past, I think it was a couple weeks ago, maybe it was last week, for my stamp club, my local stamp club ladies. And this was one of their make and takes that they got to make. So the base is cut at, and this is Highland Heather, the base is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then I also cut them 2 pieces of Whisper White, one for the inside and one for the front. And these are both cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then a piece of the Gingham Gala designer paper. This is cut at 2.5 by 5, and that's going to layer right on the front. And then you're going to need a piece of Whisper White for stamping our greeting and our little cute cupcake. And then also a piece of scrap with the Highland Heather. We're going to use the rectangle framelits to cut out the greeting for the front. Okay, so let's grab our stamps. Here are the images that we're going to be using. It's almost like a 2-step stamp set. So you have the little cupcake holder and then the topper. And then, of course, the little pick that you can have with the heart. And then the 2 greetings. That's what we're going to use on the card today. So we're going to use the Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, and then the Early Espresso. Okay, so we're going to grab our Whisper White piece. This is the scrap piece. And we're going to stamp our little cupcake holder first. We're going to use the Early Espresso. And I'm going to use my Whisper White piece. Hopefully this is showing up. I'm not going to stamp it right to the edge because the stitch shaped framelits have a stitched edge. And let me show you here. So this is the collection. These are available in the Occasions catalog right now, and we're so excited to have the rectangles. So these are the 2 images that we're going to use for the cutting out with the Big Shot. So when I'm cutting this out, I want to allow some space to cut that cupcake out really nicely so it's not too close to the edge. That's what I was trying to say. So we're going to raise it up just a little bit. And then we're going to take the topper part. We're going to use the Highland Heather. Stamp that right over top of the holder. Isn't it cute? And then the little heart with the little stick, you know, that pokes into the cupcake. We're going to use the Gorgeous Grape for that. We're just going to stick that right over to the side. And we're going to use that again for the inside. And then we're going to use the Sweet Wishes. We're going to use the Early Espresso to stamp that right above the top of the cupcake. And with it being a photopolymer stamp set, you can see right where you're stamping. It's great. Okay, how sweet. All right, now we're going to take the other piece of Whisper White. Remember, there's 2 pieces of Whisper White. We're going to take one and we're going to stamp the greeting on the inside, which is Celebrate Your Day. It is a birthday card, at least that's what I want it to be. So I'm going to stamp the greeting right in the center. And then we're going to take that heart pick again with the Gorgeous Grape, and I'm just going to stamp that right over the C, just like that. So we're decorating the inside as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get our Big Shot. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and punch out the Sweet Wishes with the cupcake. Remember, we're going to use these 2 different sizes here. They nestle together really nice. So we're just going to layer the smaller one on top of the Sweet Wishes with the cupcake. Gonna cut that out. Okay. How cute that is. And hopefully the stitched edge shows up really nicely. Okay, then we're gonna cut out the Highland Heather. This is the extra piece that I have. We're gonna cut out the next size up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and move the big shot. Okay, so let's bring in our pieces. Let's layer these two together. We're going to put this on the inside. Then this paper, you can pick what side you want. This is just going to go to the left-hand side of your Whisper White. Then this is going to get layered onto the base. This is such a simple card to mass produce, especially for birthdays that are popular for any time of the year. Okay, so we're going to use our dimensionals. I'm going to pop this layer up on the front. This is going to go over to the center, but more to the left, just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, then we're going to take our Organdy ribbon. I'm just going to go ahead and tie a quick bow. Okay, then we're going to take a glue dot. We're going to put the cute little bow onto the cupcake. I can grab it right over here to the right hand side. Just stick the bow right there. So now a couple other things. We're going to add a couple of the clear rhinestones. So let me grab those. And it's just a matter of just scattering them across the layer on the front. Okay, and then I'm going to use some Wink Stella to color in the cupcake. Okay, so here's my Wink Stella. Just scribble that onto the Highland Heather, little swirly, and also the heart. And then we're going to add some to the inside as well, just to finish it off. Isn't that adorable? Such an easy birthday card. And how cute. Let me show you the other colors. So here are two more of the Sweet Wishes. I need lots of birthday cards for January and February. So then here's the Lemon Lime Twist, and here's another one. And then a couple of the Grapefruit Grove, and then the Daffodil Delight. Okay, so that's how you make that really cute cupcake birthday card. If you have any questions, just let me know. And also, if you like today's video, don't forget to click the like button below this video. And then also, if you love this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.